Highest common factor and prime factors. I know you already know what is and how to find the highest common factor of numbers. Let's see two examples. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 42. These numbers are factors of 24. These numbers are factors of 42. These numbers are common factors. So, the highest common factor of 24 and 42 is 6. Find the highest common factor of 168 and 180. These numbers are factors of 168. These numbers are factors of 180. These numbers are common factors. So the highest common factor of 168 and 180 is 12. But I will show you another way to find out the highest common factor. Pay attention. Express the numbers as products of prime factors. 24 is 2 cubed times 3. 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. The highest common factor of 24 and 42 is 6. 6 is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is the product of the smallest power of common factors of 24 and 42. Express the numbers as products of prime factors. 168 is 2 cubed times 3 times 7. 180 is 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. The highest common factor of 168 and 180 is 12. 12 is 2 squared times 3. 2 squared times 3 is the product of the smallest power of common factors of 168 and 180. It is always true. The highest common factor is the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Find the highest common factor of 72 and 60. 72 is 2 cubed times 3 squared. 60 is 2 squared times 3 times 5. The highest common factor of 72 and 60 is 2 squared times 3. Now it is your turn.